below. So like, share, comment, and I just excited. I don't know. So let's start going. So get started. Lay, look it. Oh no. Whoa. I will start with the little one. Whoa! Oh. I don't know. Message. Sunflower sticker. Sunflower sticker. And the big matches. And the big matches. I'll do that after. Oh. This is a handbag. Look at it, guys. It's so cute. It's a watermelon glittery handbag. Oh my goodness. I think your daughter's color changes. I want a little one. It's actually a big one. Shoe. I know what's this shoe. Knew it. It was shoes. Guys, comment below if I don't knew it, if it was not a shoe or knew it was a shoe. Maybe they're going to the beach. That's why they're packing all their stuff for extra good. Oh my God! Look at her. She's very cute. Look at her hair. Whoa, my handbag. So pretty. I put her in the handbag. Look. Oh. And she could also fit in there. My lady Yee could also. I'm gonna call her Lady Yee. Yes, she's Lady Yee. I'm gonna put her in my handbag. My baby's name is I don't know, but her name is gonna be whoa, no. We can do the mother ones. I don't know if she's gonna. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it on the instruction. Look at this. I think her. Oh no! I think her mom. Oh no! There's a stand. I think her mom would be. I think her mom will be this one, these ones, or these ones, or this one, or this one, this one, this one, or these one, or this one, or this one. Zipporah, I know you got this one. Yeah. It looks like neon-licious, but it's not. Package. First off, I'm gonna look for this one. Shoes! Stickers! Those are not stickers. I got a stand too. Guys, these are pink shoes, but I got a yellow shoes too. Okay. What's in this? I don't know, but I'm not gonna pull it yet. Okay, I don't know if this is very flat stuff. Oh no, it's a headband. Whoa! Mine is pretty. But mine is a ball. Maybe yours is just a queen? Yes. I want to see what's in this. Oops. I got ballet shoes. No, not their boots. Guys, look at her. She was. He's so pretty. Forgot the last one. Let's see another video. So like, share, comment, subscribe. If you like this channel, raise your hands up or just comment, ring the bell.
So everyone, it's time for us to do the experiment to see which one of the girls have the color changing doll. So first, we're going to try Zipporah's doll to see if its color changed. She dipped the hair to see if it would color change, but it didn't. Then she threw the dolly all in, and her dolly did not color change. And by the way, this is warm water, everyone, and it did not color change. So we'll try with the cold water and see if it would color change in the cold water. But this is Ketura's doll now, and her doll color changed. She changed her whole outfit. Isn't that pink and blue outfit cute? So that's her color changing doll. She got that one. Kudos to her. And she's trying the baby. The baby diaper changed to polka dots. I think it was plain white and then it changed to polka dots. But the dots are really faint, so you can't see it that much. You have to like look at it really close to see it. So now I got the cold water and to see if the pour doll would change in the cold water. And it did not change. So Ketura was the winner to get the color changing doll. So in the cold water, when she puts it in, the doll will just get back its original outfit. And
That's it.
that's it. As what Ketura said, that's it. It changed back to its original outfit. There you go. Original outfit, white diaper and orange top and orange boots.
Ow.
You can see that the baby diaper is white. And we're gonna put it back in the hot water to see the color change. And see if we can see those polka dots. So dipping it in and then we're gonna examine it right now. So tell us in the comment section if you see the polka dots on her diaper. Let us know. Thank you guys for always watching our video. We really appreciate you. We really appreciate your support, and we just want to express it to you. So we're dipping her back into the cold water for her to change back her outfit. Ketura is really loving this experiment with the color changing outfits. And it's a really fun toy for the little kitties to get. Like, share, comment, and
Subscribe.